Hi, my name is Sherry Liseko, and I will be working with your student this year in their AVID 9 class. Over the past few weeks, I have really enjoyed getting to know the students, and I think that we are building a positive classroom culture. I've broken my presentation into 4 different topics. What happens here in ninth grade? How is the AVID 9 grade determined? What are the class expectations? And what resources can you find in Canvas? So let's look at what happens in ninth grade. What you see is a 2-week cycle of our AVID class. Our AVID class meets on gold days. And so that you can see that our tutorial sessions occur on either the Wednesday or Thursday that is a gold day that week. The other days are reserved for our AVID content, which focuses with our Wicker activities, writing, inquiry, collaboration, organization, and reading. So far this year, the focus has been setting up for success. We have gone through binder and planner organizations and expectations and refreshing our skills that we will need for tutorials. In addition, we have brainstormed how to become involved here at the high school and then also with the community. The grade is determined, if you look at the time spent in class, it is a direct correlation with how the grade is determined. So 30% of our semester grade comes from that Wednesday and Thursday where we are in tutorials. 35% of our grade comes from our Wicker activities, and then 35% of our semester grade from projects, and that is mainly ones that have our career and college research focus on them. What are the class expectations? So in class, we talked about the ID in AVID, the importance of that individual determination, and really taking ownership over your education. You can see that theme is definitely present here in the class expectations that are listed. My role as an AVID teacher is to teach the skills, the strategies, create and engage students in activities that will help them along their path, but ultimately it is their individual determination that guides them. We do this, you can see that the expectation of their cell phones are placed in the caddy so that we can focus on the task that we have in hand. And then you can see down towards the bottom there are things that we find in our AVID contract that we are maintaining an AVID binder, maintaining a pathways planner, and we're creating focus notes in our classes. So what resources can we find in Canvas? I just do 2 modules, one which I call daily agendas. That's where you will find what did we do in class that day, and then the class information. This is where information that we are going to go back repeatedly and look at is how, so that we don't have to remember what day did she give us that on. If it's something that I'm going to go back over and over again, it goes into the general class information module. One of the major things that are in there right now is this student involvement project. And I told students I would talk a little bit with you all about that. We've been spending a lot of time in class talking about it these first few weeks. So this is a project that AVID students at Carmel High School do in grades 9 through 12. The specifications of the projects change as the grade level changes, but for this year we're focusing on 15 points or hours in involvement at Carmel High School and in the community. You can see that 10 hours of that come from community service, and what I have in Canvas is compiled some information here that you see that may be useful and to get students to start thinking about how they want to get involved. We all freshmen attended a activities fair last week, and then in class we followed that up with discussing how we plan our plan for getting involved at the high school and how our plan for the community service. So if you would like further information with that, check in with your student. They have a yellow packet of information that gives them all the criteria. Right now, our focus is just getting them involved with that, whatever it may be that they're interested in. Right now is the time where all the call out meetings take place and things are getting started here at the high school. So we want them to get connected and engaged. We will have more details. I'll talk to the students more as they engage in these activities as to the other writing components and whatnot that go along with this class. I appreciate your time that you took to view this video, and I'm looking forward to have a great year. Thanks.